This is my bolt.new AI website that I have generated with the bolt.new, and this is the website that I have converted into the Elementor. You can see I can edit anything into the Elementor. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert bolt.new AI website into WordPress and Elementor page builder editable. You can edit anything into the Elementor that you can customize easily. So let's get started. This is the website that I have generated with bolt.new, and here if I copy the URL and open in new chat, so here is the live preview of the website, so that we're gonna convert into the WordPress and Elementor page builder. To do that, you just need to go here on this website, softlight.io/convertwebex, and click on Go App. So while clicking on Go App, you will be redirected here into the dashboard after sign up. So after sign up, you will be in the dashboard. In the dashboard, your dashboard can be different because I have the premium subscriptions here. So here you just need to click on this button, add new project here, and name the project here. So I had just named it Bolt to WordPress clone, and here in the URL section you just need to copy the URL of your Bolt website, and here you just need to paste here and click on create project. Now here, if you see here in the instructions, if you click here, there will be an extension that you need to install in your Chrome browser. You can see this extension I have already added into my Chrome. So if you have not added, you just need to add this extension into your Chrome. You can see this is the extension I have already added it. Now if you see here the page, you must reload this or reload this carefully, fully page on your browser. After loading this page, you just need to click on the extension, and here you just need to select the project that we have recently added. For example, we have added Bolt to WordPress clone, and here you just need to click on add page. So it will be redirect into new tab within few seconds. Now you can see this is loaded perfectly on the new tab, but if you see here, some images are not loaded perfectly. So sometimes the images does not load. Okay, so don't worry about that, because you can manually change the images as well. Okay, now here on that you just need to click on selector, and here select entire page, and keep in mind your Elementor should have more than 3.1 version, and here is a plugin that we need to install. So you just need to click here to download the plugin. I have already downloaded by clicking here. So after downloading the plugin, you just need to go here into the WordPress dashboard, click on plugins and click on add new, and here you just need to click on upload plugin and drag and drop the plugin that we have recently downloaded. So I have dragged it here and click on install now and click on activate. Now the clone webex plugin has been added. Now you just need to go here pages, click on add new. So I have just named it Bolt to WordPress clone, so you can name it anything. I just click on publish. After publishing, you just need to click on edit with Elementor. Now you are in the Elementor editor. Now what we can do is you just need to go back into clone webex, and here you can just click on export button here. You can see down here, and click on copy to clipboard. Now go back and right click here and click on paste from other website and press Ctrl+V from your keyboard. Now you can see it has been professionally copied and cloned into the WordPress and Elementor page builder. Here if you click on any element, for example, I just wanna click here, and you can see we can change the anything or text. And if you click on this image, you can also change the image as well as. So you can see this is fully editable here. And if you want to see the preview here, so I just make some settings here. I just want to disable the head title and page layout. I just make it canvas, because I click on publish and click on preview. So let me live preview of this website. This is the live preview of the website, you can see, and this is very amazing. And here in the Elementor editor, you can edit anything that you wanna change, or you can easily customize the elements into the Elementor. So this is how you can convert or clone any bolt.new website or bolt.new AI website into WordPress and Elementor page builder, fully customizable. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.